Find two numbers having HCF 7 and LCM 105. Okay. Now we know that the LCM is nothing but H into A into B for two numbers HA and HB. जिनका HCF is H and the co-prime factors are A and B, right? Now LCM हमें 105 दिया हुआ है, HCF हमें 7 दिया है into A into B. So basically यहाँ से मिलेगा A into B should be equal to 15. Now A and B are two co-prime numbers, right guys? So co-prime numbers इनका product 15 होगा, कौन से होंगे? 5 and 3 हो सकते हैं, 1 and 15 भी हो सकते हैं. Guys, always remember 1 is co-prime with all numbers. Okay, always remember this. 1 is co-prime with all numbers. Okay, you might ask you like ऐसे हो सकता है. See, 1 has a special property that it basically itself divides all the numbers, but no other number will divide 1. Okay, so 1 is co-prime with all the numbers. Okay, so यहाँ पे दो केस बनेंगे for A and B. Either A and B can be 5 and 3. A and B can also be 1 and 15. Okay, so multiply by the HCF 7, you get the numbers. 7 5s are 35, 7 3s are 21. Of course, the LCM is 105. Okay, and also for these numbers, 7 into 1 is 7 at 105. Right. So there are two set of numbers possible. 35 21 हो सकते हैं दोनों numbers, या फिर 7 105 भी हो सकते हैं. Right.